Doge is testing a crucial support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. I just want to say before I start this video, thank you guys so much for 3,000 subscribers. This channel started about 3 months ago and we have seen such a big increase. I love each and every one of you. And for those of you that are not subscribed, make sure you guys do so. And if you don't want to, that's totally cool as well. But I do appreciate you guys for hitting that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Doge as of right now, we do have a very strong confirmation of retesting this 0.08 level. I mentioned in yesterday's video the fact that this bearish candlestick, of course, formed after we had the CPI data. We have to be very careful here. Ideally, what we were looking for was a strong break above, then the level of retest for that continuation in order for us to have a bullish case scenario. But I kept mentioning the fact that Doge is failing to break above this level and retesting these exponential moving averages. You can see from all the way up here around that 0.11 level, once we dropped from that resistance, we were trading below the exponential moving averages, and I kept mentioning the fact that it's going to be very important for Doge to try to break above this level. As of right now, we do have a third test confirmation on this support level, and as you guys already know from previous price analysis, I mentioned the fact that the reason why this resistance level was tested multiple times and then we had the breakout, we should be looking for the same sort of formation on the support side. We only saw a one test confirmation from previous price analysis, then we had this massive run up, and I kept warning you guys the fact that we haven't retested that support, so this level will be acting as a very strong magnet. As of right now, we do have a beautiful retest, but this is looking extremely bearish. The reason why is usually when you have a second and third retest, you want to be looking for a strong formation to the upside, but as of right now, we just are not seeing that volume from the bullish case scenario. Instead, what we're seeing, of course, is that support level being tested multiple times, which usually indicates the fact that the bears are obviously in control. You can see that we are starting to see more and more bearish engulfing candles, as well as the fact that we are starting to see more retests on the support. You can see that we did have, of course, that liquidity grab at the bottom right over there. We were in an oversold state, and I mentioned when I made that video to be very careful about going short on a support zone until the pullback opportunity. We saw that pullback opportunity yesterday. We saw that beautiful wick to the upside to grab that liquidity, and as of right now, we are retesting this level. Does this mean that Doge is going to continue pushing on forward? Well, we have to be very careful here because of the fact that you can see that the bulls are still somewhat holding this level above. What I'm looking for is a clean break below this level, start to retest it as resistance, and then our confirmation. If we see that pattern, of course, play out, then we can start to focus more attention around our 0.05 major daily support level, which should be tested because of the fact that in terms of the medium-term supports, we have already tested those levels twice. This would become the third test opportunity, and as you guys already know, the third test opportunity usually leads into a massive breakdown formation. Looking at the hourly time frames on Doge, you can see that we are starting to see that same bearish moveset. We did have a beautiful formation. We tried to get that midterm support and that continuation, but we just couldn't see the volume come in. As of right now, in the hourly, you can see that we are starting to see the exponential moving averages break down as well, and you guys already know 9 out of 10 times when the EMAs start pushing, as well as the fact that you retest a major support level, that tends to be a massive move to the downside. We have to be very careful here in these positions, of course, because of the fact that we don't want to see that massive wick and then the move overall. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario, some of you guys asked me, are we in a long position? Is this a good area to buy? And I mentioned to you guys to keep a very close eye on how these EMAs play out. If we don't see that clean break above and, of course, retest that level of support, then there's absolutely no reason to be looking for that long position, because of the fact that since the 0.11 level, Doge has been in a beautiful continuation move to the downside. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.